Hi, hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue class 10 science. This is practice paper number 17. So this is part A physics. Let us answer the part A physics. So the first question of physics is the SI unit of power of lens is meter, diopter, centimeter, meter per second. Among these four options, the right option is option B, diopter. So for the first question, the right answer is option B, so diopter. Now let us move for the second question. So the question number second is, where should be an object be placed in front of a convex lens to get a real image of the size of the object? Real image of the size of the object. So where should be the object be placed in front of a convex lens to get a real image of the size of the object? ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿನ ಸೈಜು ಇಮೇಜಿನ ಸೈಜು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಡಬೇಕು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ? ಅಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೆನ್ಸ್, at twice the focal length, at infinity, between O and F. So among these four options, the right option is option B, at twice the focal length. That means the object should be kept at 2f1. That is twice the focal length. So for second one, option B, that is at twice the focal length. At twice the focal length. Now let us move for question number that is second main, question number 3. So name the type of mirror that always produces virtual image. So which type of mirror will always produces virtual image? So for third question, the right answer is convex mirror. So convex mirror. Now let us move for the third main, that is fourth question. So the fourth question is, differentiate between convex mirror and concave mirror. So now let us differentiate between concave mirror and convex mirror. So one side let us write concave mirror, another side let us write concave mirror, convex mirror. So concave mirror and convex mirror. So now let us differentiate between concave mirror and convex mirror. So the first difference between concave mirror and convex mirror is the reflecting surface is the reflecting surface is curved. The reflecting surface is curved inwards. In convex, the reflecting surface is curved outwards. This is the first difference. Then second difference is concave mirror, it is a converging mirror. Concave mirror is a converging mirror. Whereas convex mirror, it is a diverging mirror. Concave converging, convex diverging mirror. And next the difference between them is, so it always forms real and inverted image. It always forms real and inverted image. It always forms virtual and erect image. So these are the differences between concave mirror and convex mirror. Now let us move for the next one. So let us move for the fifth question. An object is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? That means we have to find out the image distance. So now this is question number 5. So let us make a list. So object distance is given, which is equal to 25. So object, it is concave or convex, you have to write it as minus. So then since it is a concave mirror, so focal length is always minus for concave. So minus 15 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the image distance. So 1 over f is equal to 1 over v plus 1 over u. So we want 1 over v. 1 over v is equal to 1 over f minus 1 over u. So 1 over v is equal to 1 over minus 15 minus 1 divided by u is minus 25. So 1 over v is equal to minus 1 by 15. Minus by minus is plus 1 by 25. Now let us take the LCM for 15 and 25. So if you take the LCM for 15 and 25, so 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 3 as it is, 5 1s are now 3, 5 5s are 25. So 75 is the LCM. In 15 ones are 5s are plus in 25 3s are. So 1 over V is equal to minus 2 divided by 75. So now take the reciprocal V, take the reciprocal minus 75 by 2. So half of 75 is minus 37.5 centimeter. Therefore, the object, therefore the image is formed at 37.5 centimeter away from the mirror. So like this we have to solve this question. Now let us move for question number 6. So the question number 6 is, what is reflection? State the laws of reflection. So now let us move for question number 6, that is fourth main. Question number 6, what is reflection? The phenomenon of bouncing back of light. Bouncing back of light is called as reflection. Then what is the first law of reflection? The angle of incidence. The angle of incidence is equal to angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That is angle I is equal to angle R. Then second law, the incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray all lie on the same plane. All lie on the same plane. So this is second law. So now let us move for question number 7. That is define refractive index. First one, B. Light travel from air to glass having refractive index 1.550. What is the speed of light in glass? So let us solve that numerical. First let us answer define refractive index. So let us define refractive index. The extent of bending of light. The extent of bending of light either towards the normal or away from the normal when light travels from one medium to another. This is a question. So in that only one question is there. Light travels from air to glass, that is from rarer medium to denser medium, that is having a refractive index given. So refractive index is equal to 1.5. So we know the speed of light in air, that is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Now we have to calculate what is the speed of light in glass. So N is equal to C by V. So N is refractive index 1.50. Speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by speed of light in glass. So you shift here and you bring this side. So speed of light in glass is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by 1.5. 1.5 ones are 1.5 twos are. Therefore, the speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So like this we have to calculate the speed of light in glass. So now let us move for part B, chemistry. So the first that is fifth main start from chemistry. The first question of chemistry is the following non-metal is lustrous: sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, iodine. All these are non-metal only. Among that one, so iodine is a no, even though it is a non-metal, it is lustrous. Therefore, the answer for eighth question is option D. Iodine is a lustrous non-metal. Now let us move for ninth question. The highly reactive metal like sodium, potassium, magnesium, etc. are extracted by dash: electrolysis of their molten chloride, electrolysis of their molten oxides, reduction by aluminium, reduction by carbon. So among these four options, the right option is electrolysis of their molten chloride. So this is the right option for ninth one. So for the ninth, the right answer is option A, that is electrolysis. Electrolysis of their molten chloride. Now let us move for sixth main, that is question number 10. So the question number 10 is, what are amphoteric oxide? Give example. So what are amphoteric oxide? The metallic oxide which reacts with both acid and base to form salt and water. So now example if I take, so example is Al2O3, aluminium oxide, then zinc oxide. So these are the example for amphoteric oxide. Now let us move for question number that is 11. What are ores? Then differentiate between roasting and calcination. Now let us define what are ores. So now let us answer for 11th A. What are ores? 11th A. Ores are the minerals. From which metals are extracted profitably. Then in that one only B question is there. So let us differentiate between roasting and calcination. So roasting ಮತ್ತೆ calcination ನಾವು differentiate ಮಾಡೋಣ. The first difference is, so ore is heated in presence of oxygen. So calcination, ore is heated in absence of oxygen. Then the second difference is that it is used for sulfide ores. Then this side, it is used for carbonate ores. Then the third difference is that sulfur dioxide is produced. Calcination, carbon dioxide is produced. So this is the difference between calcination and roasting. So now let us move for question number 12. So in the question number 12 they have given write two examples for corrosion. Let us write two examples for corrosion. So example number 1, when copper is exposed to air, it forms copper oxide. This copper oxide reacts with carbon dioxide in the atmosphere to form copper carbonate, which is a green patch. CuO plus CO2 give rise to CuCO3. The CuCO3 is green in color. The green patch is corrosion. Then example 2. So example 2, silver when exposed to air reacts with sulfur present in the atmosphere to form silver sulfide, which is black. So 2Ag plus S give rise to Ag2S. This Ag2S is silver sulfide, which is black in color. Now let us move for question number 13. Explain the formation of sodium chloride by electron dot structure. So now let us answer question number 13. So in the question number 13, that is explain the formation of sodium chloride. Step number 1, metal loses electrons. Sodium having atomic number 11. So electron distribution 2 K shell L8 N1. So N no. So 2, 8, 1. Sodium atom having 2, 8, 1. By losing one electron, sodium atom will become sodium ion. So 2, 8, 1 become 2, 8, 8 by losing one electron. This is step number 1. Now let us move for step number 2. In step number 2, non-metal gains electrons. So non-metal gaining electron, here non-metal is chlorine having atomic number 17. So distribution of electron, so K2, L8 and M2. So now magnesium, chlorine, this is 7. 2, 8, 7. So chlorine atom 2, 8, 7 by gaining one electron, chlorine atom will become chloride ion. So 2 comma 8 comma 8 by gaining 1 electron. Then step number 3, formation of sodium chloride. Formation of sodium chloride. So Na plus Cl. So 1 electron will be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here from metal 1 electron will shift to non-metal. So transfer of metal electron from metals to non-metal will form ionic compound. So it forms an ionic compound called sodium chloride. So like this in 3 steps, so sodium chloride ionic compound is formed. Now let us move for question number 14. So the last question of chemistry part, explain the extraction of mercury from cinnabar. So now let us move for cinnabar. So now let us move for the last question of chemistry, that is 14th question. So that is for 14th question, step number 1, that is concentration of ore. Concentration of ore. So concentration of ore means removal of ganch particles. Removal of ganch, that is removal of earthly impurities such as mud, sand, organic matters, etc. That is step number 1. Then step number 2, ore is heated in presence of oxygen. Ore is heated in presence of oxygen, that is roasting. That is 2HgS. This is sulfide ore plus 3O2 oxygen in presence of oxygen. It forms 2HgO. That is converting sulfide ore into oxide ore. Give rise to it forms 2SO2, sulfur dioxide is released. So equation 2Hg, 2Hg, S2, 2S, oxygen 3 2s are 6, here 2, here 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So equation is balanced. Then step number 3. So in step number 3, so by further heating mercuric oxide is converted into mercury, which is a crude metal. Crude metal in the sense which is not 100% pure. So the last step, 2HgO. Here you have to write roasting. 2HgO give rise to, that is further heating, it forms 2Hg plus O2. So this is how we are getting mercury from mercury, that is cinnabar. Cinnabar is ore of mercury. Now let us move for part C, biology. So now let us move for question number 15, that is part C, biology. During favorable condition, amoeba reproduces by multiple fission, binary fission, budding, fragmentation. Among these 4, the right answer is binary fission. So 15th one, option B, binary fission. Now let us move for question number 16. So in 16, bryophyllum can be propagated vegetatively by the dash, stem, roots, leaf, flower. Among these 4 options, the right option is option C, leaf. Through leaf, it will get vegetatively propagated. So option C, leaf. Now let us move for the 10th main, that is 17th question. So 17th question is, what is the importance of DNA copying? So let us answer this question. So what is the importance of DNA copying? The importance of DNA copying is that DNA copying helps in, it creates variation. ಸೊ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಡಿ ಎನ್ ಎ ಕಾಪಿ ಹಾಕಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಒಂದು ಎರಡನೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಎನ್ಶೂರ್ಸ್, ಡಿ ಎನ್ ಎ ಕಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಎನ್ಶೂರ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ DNA in each generation. So equal amount of DNA should be there in each generation. And the third one is that it helps in transferring characters from parents to offspring. So for these reasons, so DNA copying is required. So now let us move for question number 18. So in question number 18, they asked, what is pollination? Give example for bisexual flowers. So let us see what is pollination. So what is pollination? The process of transfer of pollen grains. The process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of a pistil. So this is A answer, A question. In that one only B question is there, that is give example for bisexual flower. So example for bisexual flower is mustard and hibiscus. Now let us move for question number 19. So in the question number 19, they have given what is meant by contraception. Name the methods of contraception. So what is meant by contraception? The process of avoiding pregnancy. The process of avoiding pregnancy is called as contraception. Now let us make a list of methods to avoid contraception. So the methods to avoid contraception is, first one is called mechanical method. The first one is called as mechanical, or it is also called as barrier method. Second one is called as chemical method. Third one is surgical method. That is vasectomy and tubectomy. And the fourth method is called educative method. So these are the four methods used to avoid pregnancy. So now let us move for question number 20. So the 20th question is, name the male sex organ. Write the function of seminal and prostate gland. Write the function of vas deferens. So now let us write what is the name of the male sex organ. So A question, it is called as testis. Next B, function of seminal vesicle gland and prostate gland. Seminal vesicle, it helps in movement of sperms. Then what is the function of prostate gland? The function of prostate gland is, the first function is it nourishes the sperms, because the sperms are living cells. And the second one is it helps in movement of sperms. Then the third question is, write the function of vas deferens. It carries sperms from testes to associate gland. So this is the answer for 20th question. Now let us move for the 21st. So in this, which is the reproductive part of a plant? Then for that one, draw a neat diagram of longitudinal section of flower. That is diagram question. So now in the 20, that is 13th main 21st question, which is the reproductive part of a plant? The reproductive part of a plant is a question. It is flower. The reproductive part of the plant is flower. So then B, it is a diagram, flower diagram we have to write here. So this is about the 17th practice paper. So by this we have answered all the questions of practice paper number 17. So in the next video we are going to answer for 18. Till then, thank you very much. Still those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Already those who have subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So thank you very much for everyone for your great support. Once again, thank you very much.